So you may want to go ahead and create out a recurring task as needed. So to do that, you can go around over here onto board, let's say for example, and add in a task. Let's say for example, I have a task for making a meeting minutes. So I'm just going to say make meeting minutes right here, just like this. So let's say what I need to do is go ahead and do this each week. So to do that, let me just go ahead and add in this task and then open up this task right here. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead onto the repeat section right here. And once I click on it, you can see that I can set this as a daily task or a weekly task or a monthly task. So in my case, I want this weekly right here. So I'm just going to set weekly right here, just like this. And then you can see this little icon right here, which is a recurring task due on certain dates. So if I were to go on to the view, the grid view right here, then you will be able to see the recurring icon right here as well. Letting others know or letting yourself know that this is something to be done on a weekly basis. So what I can also actually do over here in this task is, let's just go around onto the board, and on this card, what I can do is I can go around over here onto the repeat option and then choose custom as well. And then let's say, for example, I want this to happen every Monday and Thursday. So I can go ahead and choose on week as well. And in year as well, you can go ahead and select it out, so that this happens every second Monday of September right here, just like this. And you can also go around over here onto day right here, and let's say for example this repeats every 4 days. You can go ahead and have custom repeat on your card, just like that as well. And that is how you can go ahead and set recurring tasks inside of Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe